Well, after rain gods forced the Prime Minister to cancel his visit to his constituency twice before, Narendra Modi is planning to undertake a day-long tour of his Lok Sabha constituency today. And soon after his arrival in the city, the Prime Minister is expected to attend a function organized by the Rickshaw Sangh in Varanasi and distribute a package to 602 families under the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. He will be distributing 501 paddle rickshaws and 101 e-rickshaws as well. Later on, the Prime Minister is expected to launch the Integrated Power Development Scheme at a public meeting at the DLW grounds. He will also be laying the foundation stone for some infrastructure projects. He will be also dedicating to the nation the Trauma Center at Banaras Hindu University and will inaugurate a passenger reservation facility at Ramnagar Post Office. And all of this is going to be done by a remote. Meanwhile, security has been tightened in view of the Prime Minister's visit. According to sources, a three-tier security mechanism has already been put in place in Varanasi. The security situation is also being closely monitored as the Shiksha Mitras have been on the warpath and they have declared that they would also try to meet the Prime Minister during this visit to Varanasi.
हम लोगों ने सुरक्षा व्यवस्था का पुख्ता इंतजाम किए हैं। त्रिस्तरीय सुरक्षा व्यवस्था की गई है, जिसमें आइसोलेशन कॉर्डन में ड्यूटीज लगी है, इनर कॉर्डन में ड्यूटीज लगी हुई है और आउटर कॉर्डन में ड्यूटीज लगी हुई है। सभी जनसभा स्थलों को, हेलीपैड्स को और जहां प्रधानमंत्री जी जाएंगे वहां पुलिस अधीक्षक स्तर के अधिकारी लगाए गए हैं और उनके अधीनस्थ एडिशनल एसपी, सीओज और सिविल पुलिस पैरामिलिट्री फोर्स भी लगाई गई है।
आप देख रहे हैं कि जनमानस में काफ़ी उत्साह है कि माननीय मोदी जी बनारस में आ रहे हैं। बनास का सड़कें बन रही हैं, बनास में सफाई अभियान चल रहा है। लोगों को लग रहा है कि माननीय मोदी जी काश हर महीने यहाँ पर आते तो हमारा बनास और भी सुंदर स्वच्छ होता।
Ankit Tyagi joins us live now on the Prime Minister's visit to Varanasi. Ankit, this is the Prime Minister's third visit now to the ancient temple town. He's managed to pack in quite a bit on his day-long tour. Now, we did hear about that huge security presence, but what about, the threat that they face from the contractual teachers who are planning to seek an audience with the Prime Minister?
Well, there are a lot of people who want an audience with the Prime Minister here, Avantika. In Varanasi, right from the time you start from the airport, the BJP and the state administration had ensured that everybody knows that their MP is going to visit his constituency. Yesterday it was Prime Minister's birthday and the entire roads everywhere, there were flags and posters of Prime Minister Modi. There were many programs organized by the BJP. Today, in fact, we are just a few meters from the venue because the entry to the DLW ground where the media is allowed is going to start in some time. But if you can see this this roundabout behind me, it's completely been decorated with the BJP flags and Prime Minister Narendra Modi's posters. As you rightly pointed out, the first program of Prime Minister, he's expected to land here at around 10:30. He will come to the cantonment multi-purpose ground where he's going to distribute those 601 rickshaws, including the battery rickshaws. We had in fact sent a report from there yesterday. People extremely happy that few families are going to get some means of livelihood. Apart from that, he's going to inaugurate many schemes when he goes to the DLW. There are a few people, those who are opposing this visit. Also, a few posters were put up near BHUs. A few students opposing this trip of the Prime Minister. But overall, a lot of enthusiasm as far as constituency is concerned.
All right, Ankit, thanks so much for joining us, getting us the very latest updates on the Prime Minister's visit to Varanasi today.